from the line. Tsaka yung balanced offense sa hinihingi o hinahanap natin sa Phoenix. Hindi nangyayari. 29 points by BJ Johnson. No other player in the...
Big adjustments against the same opponent. Nagkataon pa na back-to-back itong laban ng Phoenix at Blackwater.
Kaya nga sinabi natin yung tema natin is all about revenge. And that's his first field goal of the game.
Nakakarami na. 4 na subok na. Itong si Perkins dito sa ating third quarter.
There's another rebound coming from Hai Balungay and Phoenix. And they're not hurrying up. They're looking to execute in the half court. And that's Richie Rivero. Crossover move coming from Richie Rivero.
Layup. Di papasok. Toppin. To Richie. Mauuna na. Ito si Johnson for the slam.
To get that ball moving. Kanina nakita natin si Cedric Barefield. Punesa niya yung kanyang tira. Had no chance of making it. And here's another three-pointer coming from BJ Johnson.
Muntik na kabutan.
Nako.
Ng 5 bilang doon ito via turnover.
And he panicked that time, but he didn't get.
Tapos mabilis. Attacking slam dunk for Kai Balungay. Iba lang talaga yung diskarte, no? Wala tayong sinasabing tama, walang sinasabing mali. It's just a different look for another team. Meanwhile, that two-step was a gorgeous move coming from BJ Johnson.
He's just going wild at this point. He's shooting from the outside, attacking inside. And here's Barkley with the easy 2 points on the putback. Here we go with Blackwater.
Barkley will try for 3 and that is good. Para ilapit ng kaunti ang kanyang kupunan.
That's how much of a scorer he is.
Roy Malilin puts up a 4. That will not work at dyan po magtatapos ang ating